Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows Firewall blocking your internet connection in Windows 11. First, restore the default Windows Firewall settings. Open the control panel and click on Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, select Restore Defaults. Click Restore Defaults again, then confirm by selecting Yes. This removes any firewall rules that may be blocking your internet connection and restores the original Windows settings. Next, reset your network protocols. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network socket settings, which can fix network problems caused by damaged configuration files. When both commands are finished, restart your computer. Finally, check your network profile. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then select your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Open its properties and make sure the network profile is set to private instead of public. A private profile allows your computer to communicate more easily with trusted networks and reduces the chance of the firewall blocking normal network traffic. Thanks for watching.